Everyone, this is Dr. David Warwick, and I'm giving you a little update from week 10/11 on how things are going post TKR, total knee replacement, and healing. So I wanted to share with you, a little bit of a rough patch on that. No one prepares you for the emotional side of your life and physical abilities being somewhat limited and unexpectedly limited when you're thinking it's going to be a great day, or sometimes even waking up and sometimes it's off on the wrong foot, no pun intended there, but off on the wrong knee, so to speak. But I would say, as things are occurring, I'll tell you, when tissues are regenerating, I'm starting to feel like the electrical shock pains that come in as nerves regenerate. And that's a perfect reminder for you guys. Healing does take time, and there has to be patience. And most of us seem to want it quick and fast, and including myself for that. So, I think the things that helped me was still pushing forward and exercising even when I didn't want to go, or getting into the cold plunge, or rehabbing the knee or stretching it even when I didn't want to, icing it, and getting adjusted myself have all been benefits of that. And I think to sum that up is just simply, taking care of you. So one of the things that I did do, as you'll see some pictures of, are the cupping, which we also offer at our office. In particular, my one therapist that I go to, she does infrared cupping, and so it was really helpful on that. But you'll see some cups that are placed on the knee to improve circulation, motion, movement, in the knee, reducing inflammation. And I have to say, it was super painful on that for me, because obviously it's a very tender, sore area, very sensitive yet. And we tried to do it within my tolerance, but you just don't know until you're actually doing it. And some of it I work through in the pictures there, and, taking time for yourself. I walked the beach this past weekend. Get your shoes, socks off, walk on the grass, walk on the beach, walk on the earth, and connect back with the earth. So taking care of yourself in those simple terms. So I hope that helps you guys. There's some great pictures included. Enjoy, and I'll be seeing you soon. So here's to health and healing. Our office is available to you for walk-ins, for your family, friends. You guys know how we operate, and share everything in our office. If someone's hurting, send them to our office. We'll do our very best. And if it's out of our scope of practice, or we need another provider involved, we do refer for that to and work with other providers. So guys, we're here to help you. Don't wait too long, especially if you've been icing for the last 24 hours and something's not going away or changing. Give us a call, or to simply walk in. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey, Olympia, Washington, your Lacey, Olympia chiropractor. And thank you for listening. Hey, and if you haven't already shared a review online with people about your personal experience, if you're so willing to do that, that would be appreciated, and thank you in advance. But people really look at the reviews and see what other people, especially veterans or people that have been suffering with neck and back pain. So I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for listening.